Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error if your iPhone camera is blurry. So how you can fix it? So mostly you need just to clear your camera. So just take some clothes or just clear your camera and just try it again for working. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to restart your phone. So just keep holding power button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So after your system will load, just try to open your camera again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. So just wait until you will see Apple logo. So just release two fingers and it means that we successfully made force restart. So after your system will load, try again to open your camera. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.